show you out all of the brand new things about the brand new update. So if you go here to the rat, he has some food reviews. And then if you give him, it's like this, guys. Just grab only mutation fruits. Just mutation fruits, okay? No normal fruits. Only the mutation one, okay? And you want to go get the plasma and the galactic. And then you want to do is go to your inventory, grab the things that you got, and then put it in here. There. In here. Huh? In here. No! What? In here. What you want to do is get the galactic. Or instead of galactic, you want to get plasma. And then put it in there, and then I need to wait 11 minutes. And then if you get the thing that has mutations here, you will give it to this rat guy, and then you will choose which thing do you want. You will choose what you want, but here's only the three that you can choose. You can only choose the cosmetics, seeds, or pets. No other things, but just those. But you can choose, but you can only choose one. Okay, guys. So if you go here to Chef P, he wants a orange. So you want to go to YouTube, and then you're gonna go to YouTube, okay, guys? And then where you want to go search how to make so guys, you want to go to, you're gonna search orange. How to make orange. Oh, like porridge in life. Yeah, porridge. Hot porridge.
Here we are, guys, in Growaway Garden. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make porridge. Watch this video up until the end if you guys want to know how to make this brand new food item added in the most recent Growaway Garden update. So I guess, guys, let's just simply go ahead and get into it. So essentially, guys, the porridge, in order to go and craft one of these, this is what you guys got to do. You need to use a corn and 4 sugar apples, or
yes, sir, I got myself a chicken. A Sunnyside chicken. So you want to picture it. So you can't anything. So you can remember it. So you can remember the how to make porridge. Oh no, not that. Just delete that one. Okay, and then picture, and then there, and then you want to start it again.
1 sugar apple, 1 sugar glaze, 1 banana. So by combining all them things, you guys can get prismatic porridge. So there you guys have it. That is how to get prismatic porridge inside of Growaway Garden, which is super cool. Now, of course, guys, if you want like the transcendent recipe and stuff, I'll be making a video. So guys, here we are on Grow a Garden. There is a new rarity of food items in the game. They've actually increased the best rarity of food from prismatic to transcendent. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you all of the transcendent food recipes for each. I have the transcendent recipe for the salmon, and 4 bone blossoms, or 2 giant pango. So it is actually kind of worth knowing these recipes so you guys can make them whenever.
So we can audit later. Go back to Roblox. Go to Roblox, join my brother. Of course, his name is Please Raccoon Candy Blossom. Please Raccoon Blossom. So guys, you want to go back here. You need to wait 7 minutes, but I don't have any idea. Here are the recipes of the brand new things. So